Have you ever wondered what makes something hot when you touch it? Rest now, rest now. Billie has a bedtime story just for you. It's time to rest your atoms. It's been a big day and rest time is overdue. Our hero is Billie Adams and he lives in outer space. Let's hear about his travels through the galaxies promoting kindness and grace. Rest now, and join Billie Adams on his mission to discover all the kindness and wonder in our universe we will uncover. It is through your atoms that are shared by all the universe that we will find a connection between everything on Earth. He will take us on adventures and explore sights unseen. So let's listen to Billie Adams and inspire our atoms to dream. So rest now, get comfortable, breathe in and breathe out. We will hear about Billie's adventures and find wonder, no doubt. Let's fly with Billie Adams to explore the stars. Soaring high above, let's remind ourselves who we are. Let's share kindness with everyone that we meet, because when we show kindness, the world is really neat. So settle down now and get comfortable. Find a soft pillow and rest your head. Close your eyes and dream of adventures to come. Your atoms need rest, and tomorrow there's more fun. Billie Adams was on a journey to explore Mercury, the closest planet to our Sun. He knew that there would be plenty of exciting discoveries waiting for him, and he couldn't wait to get started. As Billie Adams flew closer to Mercury, he was amazed by the beauty of space. He saw stars glimmering in the distance and felt a sense of compassion for all the creatures living far away from his home planet. With that thought in mind, Billie reflected on what it would be like to experience life on Mercury firsthand. When he arrived at the planet, Billie was astonished by its rocky surface and barren landscape. He quickly realized that unlike the Earth, there were no oceans or forests here, just hot rocks and dust particles. In fact, it was so hot on Mercury that temperatures range from 427 degrees Celsius to minus 280 degrees. Despite this extreme environment, Billie continued to explore. He soon came across some fascinating facts about the planet, such as its small size. Mercury is just 1/3 of Earth's diameter, and its low gravity, which is 38% of Earth's gravity. He was also impressed by how quickly he could see the sun rise and set on Mercury. It takes only 88 days for one full orbit around our star. Billie Adams was fascinated by the differences between Mercury and Earth, and he quickly got to work. He studied the landscape closely and made detailed observations about the planet's features. He even took a few samples of its surface so he could better understand its composition. He also noticed that when he looked down at the planet from space, it seemed like a tiny blue marble compared to the much larger Earth. This made him think more deeply about our place in this vast universe and how small we really are relative to everything else out there. The next day, Billie decided to take a closer look at what Earth looks like from Mercury. As he stepped out of his spaceship, he saw two different versions of Earth in the sky, one lit up by daylight and the other in darkness. He was awestruck by this sight, and he could feel compassion for all of the inhabitants on Earth. Such a tiny planet, yet with so much life and reflection. During his exploration, Billie marveled at some of the features of Mercury, like the gigantic crater facing towards our sun that is almost as large as Alaska. While exploring the planet's surface, Billie also noticed some interesting features. For example, he found long ridges and channels that showed evidence of an ancient water system that likely existed on Mercury before it cooled down and lost its atmosphere. He also saw some breathtaking views of craters and other topographical features with his own eyes. He was in awe of the mysterious beauty of Mercury, a barren and hostile environment that still managed to capture his imagination. As he looked up at the night sky, he noticed how different stars appeared depending on their distance from Earth. Some were bright, while others were faint. He took this time to practice star breathing, which helped him feel calm and connected to the universe around him. Just like that, the day's explorations were over and Billie Adams slowly drifted off into a peaceful sleep. As he dreamed of all his new discoveries on Mercury, he knew his mission was a success. By the end of his mission on Mercury, Billie had learned so much about this fascinating planet, but he knew it was time to call it a day. He lay down and closed his eyes, taking a few moments to enjoy the stars above him while doing star breathing. This was his favorite way to relax before going to sleep. So he settled into a comfortable spot under the stars and started inhaling deeply as each star appeared in the night sky, counting them and counting the points on the star, tracing the points of the star with his finger, breathing on the way up, breathing in and out on the way down, letting go of any worries or anxieties from the day. Before he knew it, Billie had drifted off to dreamland. His mission to explore Mercury complete. Do you want to do some star breathing with Billie? Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Now let yourself drift away into a peaceful sleep as you imagine yourself under the night sky full of stars. Let yourself be mesmerized by their beauty and focus on one star in particular. Take your time to observe it closely, focusing on its shape and its color. See how many points it has? Imagine tracing the point of each star with your finger as if they were part of a map. Now switch hands and trace them again, counting each point until you reach the end. Keep breathing deeply. Notice how relaxed it makes you feel. Continue to observe the star until you feel completely relaxed and at peace. Let the points of the star guide you into a deep sleep. Let go of any tension in your body and enjoy this peaceful moment under the night sky. Just now, it's been a big day and your atoms need rest so you can enjoy everything you love to do. Good night.